Greetings everyone! Today, my teammates and I are gonna explain the different kinds of tools and materials of crochet. Also, we are gonna demonstrate 2 basic crochet stitches. Enjoy!
Scissors. It is recommended to use the blunt-ended types of scissors for crocketing. Scissors is an instrument used for cutting cloth, fabric, and yarn. Tip pins. These are used to hold down our crocket project in order for us to measure or sew together the yarns steadily.
Yarn needles, also known as tapestry needles, it's usually made out of plastics and metals. This tool is used to hide loose ends of yarn when crocheting. Tip measure used for measuring the body or project. This uses the length and width for us to be able to make products the desirable dimensions.
Notepad. In order to keep track of your progress, it is to know what needs to be done after or what is already done. Container. These are used to store our tools in order to avoid loosage of materials. Tote bag. Used to contain the finished project. Can also contain the different types of tools. This is to avoid the losing of items.
Split marker, used to indicate the certain points as where we can join continuous rounds and the increasing and decreasing points of the fabric. Gauge ruler. This is a tool used to measure in inches the length and width of our stitches in the rows.
Yarn is a spun thread used in our case of crocheting. There are 3 types of yarn recommended for beginners. These are cotton, wool, and acrylic. Hook is a round shaft-pointed hook in one end, used to make interlocking loops in our yarn product. This comes in plastics or metals. Demonstration. When doing a single crochet, there are usually 3 strands of yarn. First things first, we must loop the yarn into the hook. Once that is done, as you can see in the video, you can wrap your hook around the yarn and pull it in the crochet itself. Yarn is usually inserted in the 3rd chain. Once doing this process, the pattern should be 1 hoop, 2 hoop, 1 hoop, and 2 hoops. Repeat until desired length. If you're satisfied with the length, you can cut off the extra yarn. Finished product. Half double crochet is similar to single crochet.
Have to repeat
it has
the
a similar
steps of
process
single
of
crochet.
wrapping the hook around the yarn and pulling it into the crochet itself. The difference is the pattern. It should be 2 hoops, 3 hoops, 2 hoops, and 3 hoops. Once you're at your first half, you must pull the yarn through all the 3 hoops. And just repeat the current process. Once you think you're done, cut the extra length of yarn. Finished product. Now that you know the basic techniques of crochet stitching, the tools and materials needed for crocheting, you are now prepared to start your own crochet. Thank you all for listening. See you all next time.